Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So this here may look like a couple months worth of time. It's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out a level where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7, so if you're watching this video 15-20 hours after I upload it, then yeah, the chart's going to look a little different for you, but my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible, and I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels, and then walking you through some questions, and based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So the very first thing to really point out is kind of the obvious, that there has been a whole lot of selling pressure that has shown up, and as of right now, during the recording of this video, the price is quite literally flirting right there with that green line, which is the bottom portion of the channel, which I've talked about in several other videos, and the bottom of that channel support being valued at 9,300, which brings about the first question that you're going to want to ask yourself. So let's just say you're watching this video 15 hours from now. Question number one, nothing fancy, just simply, where is the price at relative to 9,300? Has this movement continued on down, or has it been able to stabilize? Or better yet, maybe the price has been able to recover back upwards, but everything as of right now revolves around that 9,300 mark, because that is, again, the bottom portion of the channel. If you haven't watched any of my past previous videos, I talk time and time again about how the price has just been fluctuating between 10,000 up here as the top of the channel and then 9,300 as the bottom of the channel. So that is why that area is so important, because from a technical lingo, there very well could be a pattern breakdown, and that's where the 9,300 mark comes into play. Now, if you are answering the question that the price is down below 9,300, the next immediate question you would want to ask yourself is, okay, well, where is the price at relative to this area down here, which was where the bleeding stopped on that movement downwards, and that sits down there at the 9,000 mark. Now, if somehow you're answering the question that the price is down below 9,000, all that would be telling you is that this current downwards momentum that has shown up has just picked up that much more power, that much more speed, kind of however you want to visualize that. So again, 9,300 is that first level, and if that area doesn't hold up, then keep an eye on 9,000, and if somehow the price is even down below there, that would just be a very, very nasty situation. Now, on the flip side of things, though, maybe you're saying, well, Clay, the price is still up above 9,300. That would be a great sign. The next question, I doubt this would be the case, but just take an inventory check real quick. Okay, well, where's the price at relative to 10,000? If somehow you're answering the question that the price is above 10,000, that would just imply that there has been some sort of epic turnaround and the price has absolutely exploded upwards. Or maybe you're saying, well, no, Clay, it hasn't done that, but it's somewhere up around here. Well, at least at that point, the price would be back inside of the channel. But really, the top priority, at least in my opinion right now, is not necessarily breaking to the upside of the channel, but let's just see if the price can stay within the channel itself, especially with all the current downwards momentum. But yeah, I'm a little jealous of those of you that get to watch this video 15-20 hours from now. You'll have a much better idea of what happens here, but let's see how this continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.